STA ventilation technology is foremost about innovation. We design, develop and manufacture the equipment, systems and installations related to air conditioning, refrigeration and air treatment. The aim is to control thermal and acoustic environmental well-being, operating globally with versatility and flexibility. We provide smart and efficient air treatment systems and solutions. Our entire team is customer-oriented, delivering the best solutions since 40 years. We are specialized in marine, offshore, energy, chemical, pharmaceutical, food and hotel fields. We offer smart and straightforward solutions. Experience, expertise, Italian production, and high quality define our strength. Our staff receive regular training and our protocols are constantly updated. Our products meet specific criteria for quality, environmental impact, and safety. For total reuse of materials, our systems are completely recyclable. We are innovation first.